So, welcome back to the Forex Pros family. I have not been making videos for the past month because I was not feeling well and I was also a bit busy. So now a lot of people were asking to recontinue my educational analysis, and so today we will be discussing GBP odd, of which I also gave a signal on the Friday, and it was a beautiful TP hit of 110 pips. So as we know, you know that we do multi-time frame analysis starting from the monthly, weekly and daily time frames. We get the direction of the market. So when we have the bigger picture of the market, where is the market about to move, then we get our entry points on the 4-hour chart. So first of all, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the educational analysis. I will try to be as educational as possible so that you guys can learn to trade yourself and analyze the market and make some beautiful entries and make a lot of money. So starting on GBP odd on the monthly time frame, what kind of situation do we have? So first of all, what we can see is that market made this huge impulse from top to bottom. One second. Yeah. So whenever we want to make an measurement of the impulse and then the correction, what do? We take the Fibonacci retracement. And from the top to the bottom, what we can see is that the market retraced to the zero point 0.5 level, and after which what we are seeing that the monthly candle was closed in a sell. So what do we expect? We expect the market to continue its downward movement at least up to the previous support, which is previous resistance, which is now the support. Also, what you can see is that market made this W pattern, and whenever we see a W pattern, what do we expect? We expect the market to retrace at least to this zone. So on the monthly time frame, we can expect the market to be bearish at this moment. So we can expect the market to move back down at least up to the 1.839 level. So on the monthly time frame, we can expect the market that it will be bearish. On the weekly time frame, the things are very interesting, and my signals was based on the weekly time frame. So first of all, another pattern which we have discussed multiple times is the head and shoulder patterns. So when the market makes one shoulder, the head and the second shoulder, afterwards we expect the market to make a huge move to the downside. So now going back to the monthly time frame, I missed a small thing which I need to do is that we will be taking we will be taking this resistance as our target to the downside. Now, moving back to the weekly time frame, what we can see is that market is basically now forming a head and shoulder pattern. So what we have seen is that this is the first shoulder, this is the second shoulder, and now we can expect the market to make the second shoulder and afterwards continue its movement towards the downside. So we will also be targeting the point from which we can expect the market to make its second shoulder. So what we will be waiting for, we will be waiting for the next week to start and then continue its movement towards the upside. Of course, our entry will be based on the 4-hour chart. From this point, what we can do, we can have a good shorting entry, and from this also, if you are able to get a good entry, you can also take a buy entry from this point up to the targeted point of 1.89401. I will be giving these signals in my Telegram channel, which you can join by which you can join by using the link given in the description. So on the weekly time frame, we have a an expected formation of head and shoulder pattern, which we can use to make a lot of money. Now moving down to the daily time frame, what we can see is that the resistance, the target which we have plotted is a very good resistance. It was respected at this point, it was respected at this point, and whenever the market comes back up to this point, we can expect the market to give us a good entry from this point to the downward side. Our downward target is also plotted 1.84265. So these things are very quite simple, and what we can see is that we can have a good shorting entry from this point. Now, on the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames, we are expecting the market to give us a good entry to the first of all to the upside, and after that we can have a good shorting entry to the downside. So there are basically two upcoming trades in the next week. So what will we do? We will monitor, first of all, monitor the market at this point on the 4-hour time frame. I will also be providing this signal in my free channel Forex Pros. So do join by the using the link in the description. So we will wait for the market to shift its trend to the upside on the 4-hour chart, and then we can have a good longer opportunity. And when the market reaches this point, we will be monitoring the market at this point to get our second entry towards the downside. So if you liked our analysis, do like and subscribe, and tell in the comment section which topic or which pair would you like us to analyze in the next video.